Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a large square. Inside it, there are two rectangles and one square. The area of this rectangle is 35 and this rectangle is 60. And we have to find the area of this square. Consider the length of this small square is x, so this length will also be x, and this will also be x, and this is x. And suppose this length is y, so the total length of this large square is x plus y, so this will be x plus y. And as this is the length of this square, so as this is x, so it will also be y. So this will be x plus y and this is x plus y. Now focus on this rectangle. The area of this rectangle is 35 and its length is x and width is y. So the area will be xy. So we can write xy is equal to, and we have given the area is 35, so it will be 35. Consider this as equation number 1. Now from this rectangle, the length is x plus y and width is y and area is 60. So we can write y times x plus y. So this is the area of this rectangle. So y times x plus y is equal to, it will be this 60. Or multiplying this y and this x plus y, we can write y times x. So it will be xy plus this y times this y is y square is equal to, this right side is 60. Or the value of xy is 35. So substituting this xy, we can write 35 plus this y square is equal to, right side is 60. Or taking this 35 to right side, we will have y square is equal to this 60 minus this 35. Or this left side, y square is equal to 60 minus 35, this is 25. Or taking a square root to both sides, we will have y is equal to a square root of this 25. So the value of y is equal to a square root of 25, this is 5. Now from equation 1, we have xy is equal to 35. Or substitute the value of y as 5. Here we can write this x times this y is 5 is equal to, right side is 35. Or divided both side by 5, we can write x is equal to this 35 over this 5. So the value of x is equal to 35 divided by 5 is 7. Now suppose the area of this unknown region is A and the length of this square is x, so area will be x square, and substitute the value of x as 7. We can write 7 square, which is 7 square is 49, and this is the area of this small square, so the area of this square is 49, and this is our answer.